Stick figure slams a giant textbook on a desk, frustrated, with sticky notes and coffee mugs scattered around. Text. What if I told you you could study in half the time and remember more? Stick figure holds a sign that reads, "Feels fake," while peeking suspiciously at a floating ad bubble. Doctors hate him. Text. Sounds fake, right? Stick figure stares blankly at a wall covered in neon highlights and notes, looking overwhelmed. Text. Most of what we call studying is just looking busy. Stick figure rereading a page for the 5th time, eyes glazed over. A speech bubble says, "Didn't I read this already?" Text. You're not broken. You're using a system that never worked. Stick figure shines a flashlight on a sentence in a book. The light bounces off, nothing sticks. Text. Highlighting doesn't make you remember. Stick figure tries to eat knowledge by force-feeding a book into their mouth. Text. Your brain doesn't learn by being spoon-fed. Stick figure lifts a dumbbell labeled memory while sweating. Another just watches a dumbbell, confused. Text. Brains grow by retrieving info, not by staring at it. Stick figure closes a book and says aloud, "What did I just learn?" A light bulb appears faintly above. Text. Active recall. Ask yourself without looking. Calendar flipping through day 1, 2, 4, and 7. Each day, a brain-shaped plant grows bigger with water. Text. Spaced repetition. Review less, remember more. Stick figure with flashcards. Each card glows and floats into their brain like puzzle pieces. Text. Flashcards with algorithms make it automatic. Stick figure explains a concept to a cat. The cat walks away unimpressed, wearing glasses. Text. If your cat walks away, it's too complicated. Stick figure uses a flashlight to light a tiny piece of a big puzzle. They look focused, not overwhelmed. Text. Blur the input. Focus less to learn more. Stick figure sets a timer for 25 minutes. Desk is clean. Background includes small notes, water, and a checklist. Text. Use 25-minute focus sessions, not 4-hour binges. Stick figure breaks a large pizza into tiny slices labeled concepts. Eats one, looks satisfied. Small bites of knowledge digest better. Stick figure uses a watering can labeled recall to grow a plant from a seed labeled idea. Text. You don't grow plants by flooding them once. Stick figure walks into an exam hall with calm confidence while others panic around him. Text. People thought Rami was cheating. He wasn't.